The first 50 years have been very successful. We managed to build a global community of millions of people around the world who's joined Oriflame. Of course, the journey has not always been easy. There has been enormous amount of challenges, but we have never ever given up. That's why I would like to say a special thank you to all the consumers, all the consultants, all of the employees, and everyone who's been part of building the Oriflame global community and making the first 50 years such a great success. We definitely have what it takes to become number one. We have the products, we have the business opportunity, and we have, most important, we have the people with passion for beauty and fulfilling dreams in the Swedish way. This culture ties us together and is the foundation for making Oriflame the number one beauty company selling direct. My wish for the next 50 years is that Oriflame's mission of helping people around the world fulfill their dreams come true for even more people. And by doing so, the world will become a better place for everyone. Let's make that history together.